Monsoon in India refers to the seasonal wind and weather pattern that brings heavy rainfall to the Indian subcontinent. It is an essential climatic phenomenon that greatly influences the agricultural, economic, and social aspects of the country. The monsoon season in India typically lasts from June to September, covering 4 months. It is characterized by the southwest monsoon winds, which blow from the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea, bringing moisture-laden clouds to the mainland. These winds are responsible for the majority of India's annual rainfall. The southwest monsoon begins its onset over the southern tip of India around the end of May or early June. It then progresses northward, covering the entire country within a few weeks. The arrival of the monsoon is eagerly awaited in India, as it provides relief from the scorching heat of summer and plays a vital role in replenishing water resources. The monsoon rainfall is crucial for India's agriculture, as a significant portion of the country relies on rain-fed farming. It supports the growth of various crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and many others. Adequate monsoon rainfall is essential for a successful agricultural season and overall food security. However, the monsoon in India is not uniform throughout the country. Different regions experience varying levels of rainfall. The western coast and northeastern parts of India receive the heaviest rainfall, while the northwestern and interior regions receive comparatively less precipitation. The monsoon season also brings challenges such as occasional floods, landslides, and waterlogging in low-lying areas. These natural hazards can cause significant damage to infrastructure, disrupt transportation, and lead to loss of lives and property. Over the years, the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has improved its forecasting capabilities, providing timely and accurate information about the onset, progress, and intensity of the monsoon. This helps farmers, government agencies, and the general public to plan their activities accordingly. In recent times, there have been concerns about the changing patterns of the monsoon due to climate change. Variations in monsoon rainfall can have significant implications for agriculture, water resources, and overall economic stability. Efforts are being made to better understand and adapt to these changing patterns to mitigate potential risks and maximize the benefits of the monsoon season. Overall, the monsoon in India is a critical natural phenomenon that shapes the country's economy, culture, and livelihoods. It is a time of relief and celebration as people eagerly await the arrival of the rains, which bring life to the land. It plays a crucial role in the country's agricultural, economic, and social aspects. Here are some key points and data about the monsoon in India. Timing and duration. The monsoon season in India typically lasts from June to September, covering 4 months. It starts with the onset of the southwest monsoon, which first hits the southwestern coast of India and gradually progresses across the country. Importance for agriculture. The Indian economy heavily relies on agriculture, and the monsoon is vital for the growth of crops. The majority of India's agricultural land is rain-fed, making rainfall crucial for crop production. The monsoon provides water for irrigation, replenishes reservoirs, and helps sustain the overall agricultural output. Rainfall distribution. The distribution of monsoon rainfall across India is not uniform. The southwest monsoon brings the majority of the rainfall, and its distribution varies across different regions. The western coast, northeast region, and the foothills of the Himalayas receive the highest rainfall, while parts of northwest and southeast India experience relatively less rainfall. Impact on economy. The monsoon's performance has a direct impact on the Indian economy. A deficient or poorly distributed monsoon can lead to drought, lower agricultural production, and increased food prices. On the other hand, a good monsoon season contributes to higher crop yields, increased rural income, and improved economic growth. Rainfall statistics. Here are some data points related to monsoon rainfall in India. Average annual rainfall. The average annual rainfall in India is around 1,170 mm, 46 inches. However, there are significant regional variations in rainfall patterns. Monsoon variability. The monsoon rainfall varies from year to year. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, categorizes the rainfall into 4 categories: normal, below normal, above normal, and excess, based on the deviation from the long-term average rainfall. Long-term average. The long-term average rainfall for the country is based on the period 1951 to 2000. However, the IMD periodically updates the reference period to include more recent data. Monsoon Index. The IMD uses a monsoon index called the All India Monsoon Rainfall (AIR) to measure the overall monsoon performance. It represents the average rainfall over the entire country during the monsoon season. El Niño and La Niña. The El Niño Southern Oscillation (ENSO) phenomenon in the Pacific Ocean can influence the Indian monsoon. El Niño events generally result in weaker monsoons, while La Niña events tend to enhance rainfall. It's important to note that the specific data and statistics regarding the monsoon, such as rainfall patterns and their impact on agriculture and the economy, can vary from year to year. It's advisable to refer to the latest reports and updates from the India Meteorological Department, IMD, or other reliable sources for the most up-to-date information.